Hello students, this is our fifth video in the Comparative Political Analysis UGC NET PYQ video series. In this video series, we will be covering all the PYQs asked by UGC NET from 2014 up till June 2025 for each topic. So now we'll be taking up the political regimes. तो जो भी क्वेश्चंस पॉलिटिकल regimes से रिलेटेड हैं कंपैरेटिव पॉलिटिक्स में we'll be covering those questions. So the first question which was asked in July 2018 was this is an assertion and reasoning question. So इसमें I'll read the assertion. In the advanced liberal democracies of the Western nations, military is subordinate to the civilian authority. So advanced liberal democracies में military is subordinate to the civil authority. This is a correct statement. ठीक है, तो अगर आपने देखा होगा जैसे USA, even in India, etc., military comes under the civilian authority. ठीक है, civilian authority will be the prime authority and उसके बाद में military authority आती है. Whereas in some other countries जिसमें democracy has not been established properly, for example, if we look at our neighbors itself, Pakistan and even Bangladesh, यहाँ पे even Myanmar for that matter, ठीक है, the military plays a very important role either directly or indirectly in the functioning of the country. ठीक है, तो ज़रूरी नहीं है कि there will be a military leadership in power. However, the civilian authority will draw its powers from the military. So military will be the supreme power in these countries जो जिनमें थोड़ा सा pseudo democracy type रहता है वहाँ पे. So the reasoning क्या दिया है? Military plays a key role in countries where democracy has not been institutionalized. तो ये मैंने बोला. This is also correct. Both the statements are correct. However, the reason this statement does not explain the assertion का statement. ठीक है? So that is why we will be going with the second option. ठीक है, next question which was asked in December 23 was who was the author of the book The Presidential Republic? So this is a very simple question. इनके author थे जीन ब्लॉन्डल. ठीक है, and I'll tell you about his work थोड़ा सा. So in his work The Presidential Republic, he had analyzed the structures and functions of various presidential systems. ठीक है, presidential systems like जैसे USA है वैसे he had analyzed these systems. इसके बाद वैसे I'll tell you a bit about Jean Blondel as well. He is renowned for his systematic and empirical work on classifying the political systems, party structures and governments across the globe. ठीक है, next question. This was asked in August 2024. The present political regime in the Central Asian Republic of Tajikistan. तो ताजिकिस्तान आपको पता है सेंट्रल एशिया में ही है. It falls under which of the following category? So this is basically a current affairs based question. ठीक है, इस टॉपिक से there are many questions which are current affairs based. So that will tell you that IR is also very important. International relations की जो current affairs हैं those are important for this examination as well. ठीक है, so if you're targeting JRF ना तो do these as well. जैसे UGC नेट वैसे ही क्लियर, मतलब it is not as difficult as if you want to clear JRF. JRF के लिए you have to leave no stone unturned. ठीक है, उसके लिए you should go through the international relations के current affairs as well. ठीक है, so again I'll read the question. The present political regime in the Central Asian Republic of Tajikistan falls under which of the following category? तो इसमें आएगा सिविलियन डिक्टेटरशिप. वहाँ पे सिविलियन डिक्टेटरशिप है. उनके जो प्रेसिडेंट है ही हैज़ बीन इन पावर सिंस 1994. ठीक है, ये देर हैव बीन नो, मतलब कोई इलेक्शन वगैरह नहीं होते हैं फॉर्मल. He has been in power since 1994, and that is why this is known as a civilian dictatorship. फिर next question was asked in January 2025. This was, different countries have different kinds of political party system. Identify the right answer from the given options. ठीक है, so थोड़े से statements दिए and we have to identify the right ones. China is a communist country, therefore it has a single party system. This is correct. हमें पता है कार्ल मार्क्स का जो कम्युनिज्म का कॉन्सेप्ट था, in that itself he had highlighted the need for a single party, है ना. ठीक है, so that is why, since China has a communist form of functioning, तो वहाँ पे भी single party system है. उसके बाद में India enjoys multi-party system. This is correct. Britain has a two-party system. This is also correct. Britain में there are two parties only. One is the conservative party, and the second one is the Labour Party. ठीक है. उसके बाद Japan enjoys a two-party system. This is wrong. Japan is also a multi-party system like India. उसके बाद में साउथ अफ्रीका हैज़ अ सिंगल पार्टी सिस्टम, सो दिस इज़ अगेन रॉन्ग. साउथ अफ्रीका इज़ ऑल्सो अ मल्टी पार्टी सिस्टम. हाउएवर उनका एक पार्टी है, इट हैज़ बीन इंजॉइंग डोमिनेंस सिंस अ लॉन्ग टाइम. ठीक है, तो वहाँ पे ऑफिशियली मल्टी पार्टी सिस्टम ही है. हाउएवर उनका अफ्रीकन नेशनल कांग्रेस करके एक पार्टी है, इट हैज़ बीन एंजॉइंग इलेक्टोरल डोमिनेंस सिंस अ लॉन्ग टाइम. तो इसको हम लोग कभी कोलोक्वियल लैंग्वेज में डोमिनेंट पार्टी सिस्टम भी कह देते हैं. ठीक है, सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस द करेक्ट आंसर विल बी A, B and C only. So that is the second option. ठीक है, so we'll move to the next question. This is again a current affairs based question. ठीक है, so this was asked in June 2025. Giorgia Meloni is the PM of Italy, and Meloni belongs to which political party? तो इसका आंसर है Brothers of Italy party. This is a tough question, especially if you haven't been following the current affairs regularly. ठीक है, so we'll move to the next question. June 25 का ही है ये. Consider the facts about Afghanistan and choose the correct answer. ठीक है, so the first statement is King Zahir Shah ruled Afghanistan for decades. This is a correct statement. ठीक है, उसके बाद में Mullah Muhammad Omar was the supreme leader of the first Taliban government. This is also correct statement. ठीक है, उसके बाद में Indus River originates from Afghanistan. This is wrong. It originates from China. फिर Iraq shares a land border with Afghanistan. This is also wrong. If you look at the map, यहाँ पे है इराक, ठीक है, और अफगानिस्तान यहाँ पे है. सो देयर इज़ नो लैंड बाउंड्री बिटवीन द टू. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट स्टेटमेंट है सोवियत यूनियन इन्वेडेड अफगानिस्तान इन 1979. सो दिस इज करेक्ट. ठीक है, so according to this, the answer will be A, B and E only. So the fourth option will be correct. So that is all for this video. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel if you found this video helpful.